Hi, I'm Philip Swinson, Automation Manager for Electro Design Engineering. When people ask what industries Electro Design works in, I usually answer if your plant has a motor or a valve, we can automate it for you. I say that because since 1985, we've been working with Fortune 500 companies in places like water treatment plants in Saudi Arabia, food and beverage in Florida, shipping terminals on the Panama Canal, and refineries in Thailand. While we love to design greenfield sites all the way from the 40-volt single line down to the PID tuning, we can also tackle the more difficult legacy conversions. You can point at an unsupported, undocumented control panel, and we can convert that to a Plant PX DCS for you. ED's strength is in our communication internally with customers and with Rockwell. We communicate with corporate engineers when they want to put arc flash mitigation on the incoming power on a new facility. We communicate with plant managers when they want to optimize their batch productions. We communicate with maintenance personnel when they want to update unsupported legacy equipment, and with the safety team when they want to meet current TUV standards. We can walk through all of these situations and provide you a turnkey solution all the way from the CAD to the commissioning with the latest Rockwell technologies. Our biggest advantage is that we're a turnkey company, turnkey system integrator. We can design the system, we can build the system. We have a UL 5088 panel shop. We have 50 engineers and programmers on staff to commission the system. We have 250 electricians and technicians on staff to install and deploy the system. There's a lot of hidden cost benefits with that, because typically if an engineering firm makes a mistake, that has to get relayed to the panel shop, to the programming firm, the installation contractor, and they all might want back charges, change orders, things like that. When we do all that under one roof, all of that just gets handled without any impact to the customer, and it expedites the timing of the project and it minimizes the cost of the project.